Hi guys, AJ here, and I'm thinking about something today, and it's this. You've all heard the quote, work smarter, not harder. I actually want to tell you that I think we should work harder and smarter. Now, I really can't work on the harder part. That's up to you. But I think I can help you work smarter. Specifically, when you're selling, I think I can help you sell smarter. And the way I can do that is by telling you that I have the privilege of presenting at the next Ask the Expert presentation from the Middleton Chamber of Commerce. It's on August 22nd, 8 a.m. at the Edgewood College West Campus at 1255 Deming Way. The topic is sales pipelines. And I'll tell you what, if you don't run a sales pipeline today, or if you're feeling like you're just having a tough time managing all the people you're supposed to be calling, I hope you'll attend. Sales pipeline, a simple concept that can make your selling a lot smarter. If you work harder and you've got sales pipeline, I'll tell you what, your sales and your selling will be more powerful. I hope you'll join me again at the Ask the Expert presentation at Edgewood College West Campus on August 22nd, 8 a.m. to 9:30 at 1255 Deming Way. Hope to see you there. Thanks, guys.